Buying Bitcoin is relatively easy, but it is important to approach it with caution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a Bitcoin wallet. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you'll need to choose a digital wallet to store it in. There are several types of Bitcoin wallets to choose from, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your Bitcoin offline. They are considered to be the most secure type of wallet, as they are not vulnerable to cyber attacks. Examples include the Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T. Software wallets are digital wallets that can be installed on your computer or mobile device. They offer a convenient way to store, manage, and trade your Bitcoin. Examples include Coinbase Wallet and MyEther Wallet. Paper wallets are wallets that are created by printing your public and private keys on a piece of paper. They are considered to be one of the most secure types of wallets, as they are not vulnerable to cyber attacks. However, they are not as convenient to use as other types of wallets. Step 2. Choose a Bitcoin exchange. Once you have chosen a wallet, you'll need to choose a Bitcoin exchange to buy from. There are many exchanges to choose from, and each has its own pros and cons. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance. It is important to do your due diligence before choosing an exchange. Look for an exchange that is reputable, has low fees, and offers a good selection of cryptocurrencies. Step 3. Sign up and verify your account. Once you have chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing some personal information, such as your name and email address. Most exchanges will also require you to verify your identity before you can start buying and selling Bitcoin. This may involve uploading a copy of your government-issued ID, as well as other personal information. Step 4. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll need to deposit funds into it. Most exchanges accept bank transfers and credit, debit card payments. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you'll be ready to buy Bitcoin. Step 5. Place an order to buy Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to place an order on the exchange. You can either place a market order, which will be executed immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, which will be executed when the price reaches a specified level. Step 6. Wait for the order to be filled. Once your order has been placed, you'll need to wait for it to be filled. This process can take a few minutes or a few hours, depending on the demand for Bitcoin at the time. Step 7. Withdraw your Bitcoin to your personal wallet. Once your order has been filled, your Bitcoin will be transferred to your exchange wallet. It is generally not a good idea to keep your Bitcoin on an exchange for an extended period of time, as exchanges are vulnerable to hacking attacks. Instead, you should transfer your Bitcoin to a secure personal wallet. Buying Bitcoin can be an exciting and potentially lucrative experience, but it is important to approach it with caution. Make sure to choose a reputable exchange, keep your Bitcoin in a secure wallet, and be aware of the risks involved.